I seriously have no idea what took me so long to try an acrylic paint pour on rocks. I'm so glad my daughter pushed me because she wanted to help make this video. I didn't do an extensive amount of homework on how to do this, so this is not a tutorial. It's just you getting to witness our very first try at it. I had some paint pouring medium from Apple Barrel that I found in Walmart. I've had it sitting on my shelf for a couple of months. And so we did kind of half acrylic paint, half pouring medium. I think it might have been a little bit too watery. We might have done a little bit too much pouring medium, but it did still work really well. So we just mixed up 3 colors. We got some extra paint. That was one of my holdups before, as I felt like it was wasting paint, but these 50-cent craft paints are worth investing in to do this because it's so fun and it makes the prettiest results. My daughter's layers definitely looked cooler in the cup than mine did, so I was thinking mine wouldn't make as cool of a design on the rocks, but both cups made amazing designs on the rocks. I did base coat the rocks with gesso just because it seemed like a smart thing to do. It creates a nice grip for base coating rocks. And I let my daughter do the honors of the first pour. We did use a straw to help get coverage down the sides and to kind of mess around with the design a little bit. One thing that I will do differently on the next round is not to put them on these wire racks because they got stuck to them pretty good. So I think I'm going to use the upside down cups like I've seen other people use and let it kind of drip down around the sides, and I won't be dealing with as much sanding on the bottom. I also want to try creating some of the cells that bubble through, and I've heard WD-40 into one of the colors, or any kind of silicone could be like a hair product. So any tips or tricks that you experienced people have, please leave them in the comments because I do want to keep doing this. It was so fun. I can't wait to add some accents to these once they're fully dried. Thanks for stopping by for our experiment. Don't forget to check out another video. Subscribe if you haven't already. You guys are the best. I will see you next time.